The Indian Army's surveillance capability along the border is all set to get a boost as the force is set to deploy its Drishti-10 drones at a forward base in the Punjab sector, which has endurance of 36 hours and the ability to carry a payload of 450 kg. The drone is well equipped for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance missions. In a bid to tackle the escalating problem of space debris, Japan-based startup EX Fusion is working on making waves to utilize ground-based laser beams to remove minuscule space fragments. Russia-based Argo robot developer company informed Russian state media agency that Turtle robot was used in the battlefield with one of Russian ground troops. Its main tasks are the delivery of ammunition, food and mines for mortar crews. The Ukrainian Air Force claims it has shot down a Russian early warning and control plane that can spot targets up to 650 kilometers away and a key command center aircraft that relays information to troops on the ground. The U.S. Central Command reported an incident where an anti-ship cruise missile was fired from Houthi militant territories in Yemen towards the USS Laboon destroyer. Swift action by U.S. fighter aircraft successfully intercepted and shot down the missile.